first, of course, you need to buy fish. If you can't find a whole fish, you can just get a big chunk of fish. Okay, clean it up. You don't need to dry it, but yes, clean it up. Put some ginger, julienne ginger. If you have spring onion, but I bet you don't have, so put some spring onion as well. Some ginger at the bottom. Place this on. Put some inside tummy. Put some inside the head. Somewhere. Some on the top. Yeah, that's it. Done. And then you just wait for the water. Yes, a boiling water. When the water is ready, you just put the fish. For this size of fish, it's around 10 minutes. You just steam it for 10 minutes. Then it's done. It's easy, right? Okay, the water is ready, right? Alright. Okay, just put the fish here, and then bye-bye. See you in 10 minutes. Okay, it's ready. Whoa. Okay, how to check if the fish is done? That is done. If you can't get through it, it's not done. Another way to look at is eyes. You see it? White color? Yes, that's done. If it's not in white color, it's still a crystal thing, then it's not done. Always remember, this kind of water is not juice. It's very fishy. You don't want it, okay? So, don't want it. Never eat it. Okay, give you a more closer look. This one, okay? This one, not this one, huh? This one. It's not crystal clear. It's a bit white. Then the fish is ready. Okay, now look at this side. You need to heat up some oil for the fish. And always, you need to prepare some soy sauce. You can buy soy sauce for fish. Yes, some soy sauces for fish. But if you don't have it, you can just use the normal soy sauce. What we are doing now is to heat up the oil until sizzling. We need very hot oil. Yes. Okay, the oil is almost ready, but really be careful. Okay, look at the fish. We're gonna put some soy sauce here, yeah, all around, and then put the oil over on the fish. Then the steamed fish is done.